We are indeed the founding fathers of the row. Obviously still maintain everything how it was made then as it is today. I think the show itself brings in a much younger generation. I think the models, the clothing is an element of real quality.
It gets men around the world to think about the clothes that they wear.
I think the English gentleman at Lord's will be a fantastic showpiece for the West End, namely Savile Row.
I'm very pleased to, and honoured actually, to be part of the London Collections Lord's presentation, where we pride ourselves on British tailoring. And having travelled the world with our business, I kind of understand where I fit in and where we Brits fit in.
People come to London because of Savile Row.
We've been asked to do 5 outfits for this particular show. It's great to be part of this one at the cricket ground actually. Wool is great to work with in the summer. It gives a nice sort of crisp finish.
Just always had a passion for menswear and men's clothing. I started off at Paul Smith Bespoke actually, before I came here to join Jo.
What we'd like you to do is have a wardrobe, and you could have a lightweight wardrobe for the summer, a winter wardrobe, and then a spring and autumn wardrobe. Our design and our style promotes what's happening at the moment in London.
Want to work with wool all year round. I think a lot of people perceive wool as being something you only wear in the winter. Exploring cool wool for summer use is very important to us because it performs far better than some of the cottons and some of the linens that we have.
Wool's so lovely to work with, it keeps its shape, it's a natural fibre, whereas it's man-made so it never breaks down.
If somebody wants a lightweight wool suit, you can do a cool wool. Synthetic doesn't breathe, though if you have it made out of pure wool, it breathes and moves with you. It's meant to be made into clothes.
That's what we're here for, to impart knowledge to help people to dress properly, look like they've taken an interest in their clothes but not become over fussy or look like they're trying too hard. English making and style at its best.